Hello guys, it's Allison here once again. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. I hope you like my Father Christmas GIF. That is how I'm feeling right now because I just made, 50 pips on trading the pound Kiwi. This video is not about Father Christmas. It's actually about Forex trading. Just to show you how I was able to catch, this is about nearly 25 pips, but I already closed one position down. I think I was still on this trade before I made this screenshot. I think eventually I got about 50 pips on this trade, and this is just to show you that how I used a bullish divergence to be able to catch this trade you're seeing here. Now, if you can see on my screen, you can see where the price came all the way down here, made a low, and then made a lower low. Okay, this is on the 4-hour time frame. Made a low and then made a lower low. But then if you look at my very reliable stochastic oscillator set to 1431, it also made a low here, but the oscillator did not oscillator made a higher low instead, where price is making a lower low, and this is on the 4-hour time frame, right? So on the 4-hour time frame, I repeat, the price made a lower low, but the oscillator made a higher low. Okay, a higher low, we can say a higher low actually. Okay, so that was how I knew that the price was going to reverse, and this was when I first started the trade. I don't know if you can see it very well. It was the same setup here, and that was just the very beginning. So if you check, these are if you check the data, was on the 26th, 11:52 in the late last night when I saw this move. And then this morning you can see the time again. What is it? Let's show you that one. See the time again today. So these are all, this is the 27th of December, which is today, and that is a live account as well. Okay, so guys, if you know how you are going to use the divergence would help you to catch moves early, because I have been using divergence to catch these big moves. Now today is the 27th of December. There is not a lot of volatility in the market, so I just close that at 50 pips, because that is amazing, getting 50 pips for just a couple of hours in the market. Okay, so just a quick video to show you how you can use divergence to catch the big moves in the market. You don't need dozens of indicators to be able to help you trade the market. If you want any help with Forex, I've got a Telegram group. You can click the link below this video and get in touch with me. I should be able to help you make profit in the Forex market. So once again, it's Allison showing you how you can use divergence. There are 4 main types of divergences. You have the regular bullish, regular bearish, and you have hidden bearish, you have hidden bullish. And I use all of them in various ways to be able to beat the market and take money out of the market. And this is what I've been doing consistently. Okay, so once again, it's Allison. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something from it. Don't forget, if you're watching on YouTube, to like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and also it helps this channel if you share this video with your friends and family who you know are interested in Forex. Okay, there is really no big deal in Forex. Anybody can trade it. It's a risky business, so you need to focus on price and price as much as possible. Okay, so it's Allison. I hope you got something out of this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care and have yourself a very happy new year. I'll see you in the new year if I don't make a video before that time. Okay, so take care and God bless. I'll see ya.